Today, the agenda and the goal for this meeting, I would like to brief about, I just start the introduction of Nutanix, then we can discuss about what is HCA, Hyper-Converged Infrastructure Solution. What Nutanix people is doing as a HCA solution provider, what are the components in terms of hardware and software, how the Nutanix HCA product will help to the customer end user side for the business development. Here I am just starting for this first slide, introduction to the Nutanix. If you have any questions, just ping me in the chat. I will reply accordingly based on your questionnaires. This session basically give the overview of Nutanix, how it will be help us for the virtualization, software defined networking and cloud solutions for all x86 servers. Nutanix is a hyper-converged infrastructure. Basically, they are the very much market leader to provide hypercomputing solutions. Nutanix appliance covered everything. One single appliance, you will get a storage, virtualization, computing, and networking all together in one box. This is the basic diagram. I just brief you each session. Virtualization, basically it's virtualization in top of bare metal, installing on thin small hypervisor. Instead of creating dedicated servers, we can do it all together in a single box. Virtualization, servers, storage, networking and storage, all the four components clubbed together as a HCA, hyper converged infrastructure. This is the diagram, very clearly illustrate. This is the things we are going to put it in a single appliance. One box we can get all together the four technologies. As with SDS, which one of the basic underprintings, the hyper-converged infrastructure, basically to focus for the management of storage, computer, networking, all together in a single window. Nutanix, it's purely 100% software-defined technology. It's complete, each and every nodes depending with the virtualization, storage, networking with secured and powerful applications. The beautiful of Nutanix, at any point you can scale up for the solutions. Like data center expansion without any dependency with the existing current setups, we can scale up to your requirement based on day-to-day requirement. There is no outage in the production time. We just talk about the discussion about Nutanix HCA. Basically, it's a virtual platform, scale out and compute storage all together within a single node. Basically, Nutanix used for SSD hard disk and normal SCSI hard disk. SSD hard disk basically used for the caching and maintaining the complete Nutanix cluster operations. Here it's brief about what is the node and what is the foundation, what is the functionality. Controller VM, namely called CVM. This is the part, it will be complete player in the Nutanix cluster. Each and every cluster we need minimum 3 nodes. Each node have one controller VM. The controller VM will be the complete management for the entire cluster, like provisioning data for the virtual machine, providing resource for the virtual machine, performance, CPU, memory, network allocation, everything we can do it from the controller virtual machine operations. Here I just would like to enable for the backend architecture. Everyone can see here node 1, node 2, node n. So node 1 and node 2 having controller VM, same thing node n also having. Here the diagram basically illustrate we can build the Nutanix cluster, minimum we need 3 nodes. In case of any one node failure, 2 node will continuously doing the production services without impact for the end user side. Here each node you can see minimum 2 SSD and remaining SCSI disk. This is a SCSI controller hypervisor. Nutanix, one of the world famous HCI solution. They are the one market leading for providing HCI product. Here there is no limitation for hypervisor. We can go with Zen server, we can go with Hyper-V, we can use VMware, we can go with KVM. Now one more beauty thing is Nutanix, they have own proprietary hypervisor, namely called Acropolis, AHV we can say. So this is the basic stuff. So here we are going to explain what is the Nutanix platform. Nutanix platform, it's hyper converged. We can scale out at any time without any outage of the current production. As I told you, controller virtual machine. I just giving the brief. What is the controller virtual machine? What is the functionality here? It's going to do that. Basically, CVM very closely talk to the hypervisor, and each and every virtual machines. If we create on top of hypervisor, it will CVM and hypervisor will be the single point of communication to share the resource between the nodes. Basically, Nutanix comes with one block, that is 2U servers chassis. The 2U server, you can accommodate maximum 4 node, each node having separate CPU, memory, hard disk. Same like that, each node you can have a one processor or two processor, memory slots, SSD, hard disk. Each node have two 10 gig network. That is the main and beautiful feature from Nutanix. Each and every networks, each and every nodes, we can connect two networks. Two network for 1 gig, two network port for 10 gig, and one more port basically used for the management of nodes, hardware management. So each block having minimum 4 nodes. Each node is having two 10 gig network adapter, two 1 gig network adapter, and one 100 Mbps IPMI management console. It's basically used to manage the hardware component. This is the Nutanix blocks. The block size is 2U. So we can easily scale up. If you need one more block, we can buy it and add additional nodes without any downtime. Here everyone can see this. This is the block. I just highlighted in the brown. This is the node. Total 4 nodes we can put it in a one block. Power supply only shareable for all the 4 nodes. Remaining everything identical, like independent. You can see the network is independent, VGA card is independent, and management port is independent, like that. This is the hardware part. Now we are going to the Nutanix HCI solution. What basically Nutanix HCI solution will do, as I told you, they are the market global leader for hyper converged infrastructure solutions, and they are doing lot of very good customer user friendly for any kind of existing data center use, data center challenges like cloud, private cloud, public cloud distribution. They are giving more performance comparing to the traditional way of HCI. Nutanix customer reported IDC very clearly, like 2017, each and every enterprise, SMB and enterprise customers, they find very good agility, scalability, performance of the Nutanix based on the user and customer experience. User means administrator, like enterprise administrator and customers. They have get more benefit about using Nutanix HCI solution in their data center and doing the services. Dramatically less than IT staff time also, because in this Nutanix we can manage everything in a single console, namely called Prism. We no need to buy any separate management utility, same like other products. Like if you go with VMware, we have to buy vCenter. If we go with Hyper-V, we have to buy SCVM or SCOM servers, like this. Here we no need to buy any additional management utilities for manage Nutanix cluster. It's very easy to scalable, very easy to performance and agility. We can manage the entire cluster without like any more people needed like existing traditional HCI. We can go with one single console, do all the services